Woodworking doesn't have to drain your wallet. Some of the handiest accessories cost less than $15. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 simple tools and gadgets you can grab on Amazon. Each one is designed to make your projects smoother, safer, and more precise. So let's jump right in and see what they can do. Number 1. Craftsman 25 feet tape measure. Accurate measurements are the foundation of any woodworking project, and this tape measure makes that job simple. It has a self-locking blade, which means once you pull it out, it stays in place until you press the button to retract it. No more fighting with a tape that snaps back too quickly. The retraction is smooth and controlled so the hook doesn't slam into the case and wear out over time. Another helpful detail is the fraction markings printed right on the blade. Instead of guessing at small lines, you can read measurements clearly and quickly. Whether you're cutting lumber for a big build or marking pieces for a small craft, this tape measure keeps things precise without adding stress. It's straightforward, reliable, and designed to make measuring feel less like a chore and more like a natural step in your project. Number 2. DeWalt screwdriver bit set. A good set of screwdriver bits can save a lot of time in the workshop, and this DeWalt set is built with that in mind. It comes with 45 pieces stored in a tough case that keeps everything organized. The case has a clear lid so you can see the bits at a glance without opening it, and a clip latch that keeps it securely closed. Inside, the patented bit bar design makes it easy to remove and place bits wherever you prefer, which means less fumbling when you're in the middle of a project. The set includes double-ended bits and power bits, giving you options for different screws and tasks. It's compact, easy to carry, and designed to make switching between bits quick and simple. For woodworking or general DIY, having a reliable set like this means you're ready for whatever fasteners come your way. Number 3. Vecaton 6-inch hole saw with arbor. Cutting large, clean holes can be tricky, but this 6-inch hole saw makes the process straightforward. It's built with a bimetal construction, combining flexible steel for the body and high-speed steel for the teeth. That design gives it strength, resistance to rust, and a longer service life. The sharp cutting edges handle wood, plastic, drywall, and even thin metal, leaving smooth and precise results. One of the helpful features is the deep gullets along the sides, which clear chips quickly so the blade doesn't get stuck. There's also a slot at the bottom that makes it easier to remove plugs after drilling. Setting it up is simple. Attach the arbor, line up the locking pins, and tighten it down. The kit includes the hole saw, an arbor with a drill bit, a spare bit, and a hex key. It's a practical tool for projects like cornhole boards, vents, or any job that needs a clean circular cut. Number 4. CZ Strong Magnetic Screw Ring. Anyone who has worked on furniture, shelves, or even small repairs knows how frustrating it can be when screws slip off the bit or fall to the floor. The magnetic screw ring solves that problem in a simple way. It slides onto any standard 1/4-inch hex bit and instantly adds a strong magnetic hold. That means the screw stays attached to your driver tip, even when you're working overhead or in tight corners. The magnet is powerful enough to keep screws steady, but it doesn't interfere with the driving process. It's especially useful when you need precision, like mounting brackets or working with electronics, where dropped screws can cause damage. Made from durable alloy material, the ring is built to last and can even double as a quick-change bit holder. For woodworking, plumbing, or everyday DIY, it's a small accessory that makes screwdriving smoother and less stressful. Number 5. Nico 2-pound dead blow hammer. A dead blow hammer is different from a regular hammer because it delivers force without bouncing back. This 2-pound version from Nico has a head filled with steel shot, which absorbs the rebound and gives each strike more control. That makes it useful for woodworking, metal forming, or even automotive work where precision matters. The body is molded in one piece from durable poly material, so there's no weak spot between the head and the handle. It also resists sparks, which adds safety when working around metal. The bright orange color makes it easy to spot in a crowded toolbox, and the checkered grip keeps it steady in your hand even after repeated use. With a compact size and comfortable handle, it's designed for jobs where you need solid impact but don't want to damage the surface. It's a practical hammer that balances strength, safety, and control. Number 6. Maxman Sandpaper Sanding Block. Getting a smooth finish is one of the most important parts of woodworking, and this sanding block set makes that job easier. It comes with 70 sheets of sandpaper in different grits, ranging from coarse 80 grit all the way up to fine 600 grit. That variety means you can start with rough shaping and move step by step toward a polished surface. The sandpaper is made from durable alumina oxide, which resists tearing and clogging, so it holds up well during use. The block itself is lightweight and shaped to fit comfortably in your hand. It's firm enough to keep the paper flat, but soft enough to reach into corners and tight spaces. A hook and loop backing lets you attach and switch sheets quickly, without slipping. Whether you're working on furniture, crafts, or small repairs, this set gives you control and consistency for clean, even results. Number 7. Circular saw guide. Making straight cuts with a circular saw can be challenging, especially when you're working freehand. That's where a saw guide comes in. This trim saw fence, part number 381,09100, is designed as a replacement accessory for several DeWalt cordless saw models. It attaches securely to the saw and acts as a guide, helping you keep your cuts clean and accurate without drifting offline. The guide measures about 12 inches long, giving you a stable edge to work against. It's compatible with a wide range of saws, including the DW936 series, DC390, and newer DCS391 models, so it fits easily into many setups. For woodworking projects, furniture building, or even quick trim jobs, having a reliable fence makes a big difference. Instead of relying on guesswork, you get consistent results with less effort. It's a simple accessory that adds precision to everyday cutting tasks. Number 8. EZARC Titanium Oscillating Tool Blades. Oscillating tools are known for their versatility, and the right blade can make all the difference. This set of EZARC blades uses a bimetal design with titanium-coated teeth. That coating helps resist heat and wear, so the blades last longer than standard ones. The wavy tooth pattern spreads the cutting pressure across multiple points, which gives smoother performance and reduces strain on each tooth. These blades can handle a wide range of materials: wood, plastic, drywall, and even nails or screws embedded in lumber. That makes them useful for remodeling, trimming door frames, flooring adjustments, or quick repair jobs. Another advantage is their universal fit. They're designed to work with most major oscillating tool brands, from DeWalt and Milwaukee to Ryobi and Craftsman. With durability, efficiency, and broad compatibility, this 3-pack of blades adds flexibility to your multi-tool and helps you tackle different tasks with confidence. Number 9. Gartol handsaw for woodcutting. Sometimes the simplest tools give the most control, and this Japanese-style handsaw set is a good example. It includes 2 pieces, a 6-inch flush cut saw and a double-edged Ryobi saw. Together, they cover a wide range of woodworking needs, from trimming small details to making rip cuts and cross cuts. The blades are made from SK5 steel, which is flexible yet durable, so they stay sharp even with repeated use. One side of the Ryobi saw has coarse teeth for faster cuts, while the other side has fine teeth for smoother finishes. The flush cut saw is especially handy for trimming dowels or cutting in tight spaces where a larger saw won't fit. Both tools feature wooden handles shaped for comfort, giving you a secure grip and reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Whether you're crafting furniture, doing joinery, or working on small DIY projects, these saws provide precision and control without relying on power tools. Number 10. Irwin Fiberglass Hammer. A claw hammer is one of the most familiar tools in any workshop, and this Irwin version adds a few thoughtful details that make it easier to use. The head is forged from steel, giving it durability for everyday tasks like driving nails or pulling them out. The face is smooth, which helps reduce marks on the surface of your wood. What sets this hammer apart is the fiberglass handle. It absorbs vibration, so your hand and wrist feel less fatigued during longer projects. The handle has a hybrid design, rounded for comfort, with a curved base that prevents slipping, and a hardened end cap for extra strength. A Pro Touch grip adds even more comfort, making it steady in your hand even after repeated swings. At 16 ounces, it's a balanced, general-purpose hammer that works well for woodworking, home repairs, or any job where you need reliable impact and control.